Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become the Headless Horseman on Dress to Impress, how you can make the costume. So I just put this on real quick, and then you can use any costume outfits you want. This is just the outfit that I'm going to use for this tutorial. Select these gloves and select short and disable the fur. Actually, you might need to make it the default one. Then I'm going to color it the skin color. So let me just save this first and then put it on the glove. I do need to change it later, like the skin color to orange. That's why I'm putting on gloves. And it's for the pumpkin. You can also just use a human head. But I'm just going to select this pumpkin color. Then I'm just going to go to the makeup section, and I just did a quick kind of pumpkin-esque makeup look. Again, you can just use a normal human face. You can also carry a sword with you like this. But I don't know how it's going to work with the pose. So let me just try it. If it doesn't work with the pose, then just don't use the sword. So here, go to the pose pack and make sure you have the Halloween pose pack. If you don't have that, just go here to purchase it. So go to Halloween pose pack and then select the headless one. Okay, so I can't. So let me just remove the sword. And voila. If you want this to be human skin, you could use a turtleneck, but I think it's just gonna go through the outfit. So yeah, that is it. That's how you can create the Headless Horseman outfit on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.